Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back again in this channel. Okay, let's discuss about biotechnology. Maybe I will explain about genetically modified organism, and all of you here has known about what I said later. Okay, uh, this topic I will divide into four parts. The first one, about agree or disagree about this case, and the second one, what's the rule for the biotechnology in Indonesia, and the third one about the example in Indonesia, and the last one is conclusion. Okay, let's go to the agree agree statement. Okay, my statement for this genetically modified organism, yes, you know that it is a very potential to provide additional benefits such as increased agricultural yields, resistance to pests and disease, and then ability to withstand extreme environmental conditions, increase nutritional value, and then production of medicines, assisting the conservation of natural resources by reducing the use of pesticides or water. Yes, this is the most of positive using genetically modified organism. So you know that about the modified like genetic engineering. So there are rules in Indonesia to be followed. Yeah, the government has issued a government regulation contains in Indonesia. Maybe the bahasa is Peraturan Pemerintah Republik Indonesia number 21 in 2005 concerning the biosafety of genetically engineered products, so that all research can be strictly monitored so that these negative impacts don't occur. So the scope of this regulation covers types and requirements. The second one is research and development, and the third one evaluation. The next is release and circulation, utilization, monitoring and control, institutional financing, and maybe the last one is sanction. Okay, this is to take notes. So the first one, safe for human and animal consumption. Well, food regulatory agencies in various countries carry out comprehensive risk assessment before they can be used in food production. Then ensuring the use of genetical engineering doesn't damage biodiversity and environmental sustainability. And then the dependence of farmers on these companies reduce the diversity of genetic resources. Well, about the protection. So the protection of research with ethical considerations arising from human intervention in the genetic structure of organism and possibly long-term effects that are not yet known. Labeled, for example, labeled MUE maybe in Indonesia like halal or haram, and then BPOM. And the last one about the evaluation of social and environmental impacts, as well as adequate public participation. Well, I have two examples here. This is in animal engineering, and then the second one is plants engineering. So if we're talking about the animal engineering, so maybe you have heard about the fish color. Yeah, I don't know about the meaning in English. So if we talking about fish, maybe you have heard about the glowfish. Yeah, this is ornamental fish that have bright colors. Are the prima donna or ornamental fish lovers? The price is relatively more expensive, yeah, than other types, yeah, because this fish like glow in the dark. Yeah, this is good for maintenance in uh, room room environment maybe, yeah, like aquarium. So call it a luminous fish. Yeah, Grace Aquarium owner Exo Jordan said, Glowfish has its own fans, namely aquascapers, who like to do thematic decorations in their aquariums. Yeah, like I said before, that this fish will glow in the dark. The most popular glowfish is the tetra glowfish, the result of genetic mutation from the black tetrafish embryo, which is a fish with a clear natural color and black stripes on its body and fins. When this black tetra becomes a glowfish, the black stripes will disappear and the translucent color on its body will change according to the color injected into its body. Yeah, this is the sample in animals. Yeah, many sample about the animal engineering. For example, like pig, maybe chicken, birds, snake, or etc. Yeah, many uh, engineering like modification of genetics. So how about the plants? Yeah, naturally, maybe you know about the cotton, right? Yeah, the cotton should be good to maybe swallow, maybe. Yeah, cottonseed is not edible because it contains vesicle, a component that keeps insects away from the plant. Yeah. Then in 2006, Texas A&M University and Cotton Inc. Collaborated on research to produce genetically modified seeds without the inedible parts. So at the time, the researchers intended to make food from grains that could be used as flour. However, this research faces many challenges, especially from the bureaucratic side before it can actually be worked on. Yeah, you know that this is the plan, and then result like cotton, and then the cotton can be eat like a food. Yeah, this is a good chance because we should know about the kinds of food for future work. Yeah, this is but not changing from rice or corn. That is just a multi choice if no food in your area. Okay, uh, this is the sample for genetic engineering. So, well, if we're talking about conclusion that human needs are getting bigger and more complex day by day. It's only natural that genetic engineering is needed, especially in increasing the economic level of society so that it becomes better and mutually beneficially and can indirectly reduce global warming due to the uncertainty of climate change. Yeah, ethical rules and more principles need to be applied in the application of knowledge in order to avoid the negative impacts that arise, and this has been handled by our government, as I mentioned earlier before. Okay, provision is very important. Yeah, the first one is government, and the second one maybe who make the rules and who make the action for this. Yeah, if there is an error or an inaccurate calculation, the impact will return to the human again, who carry out the engineering, such as disease outbreaks, damage to environmental ecosystems, and even the extinction of native disease outbreaks. Yeah, native animals maybe, right? Okay, other strict provision on industries that carry out genetic engineering needs to be carried out so that it doesn't have a national impact, but psychologically on society, biodiversity, and custom. And the use of animal biotechnology shouldn't be for cannibals, but as a complement to life. So the human like us and genetical engineering should be one vision and mission. So this is the complement to life. Yeah, maybe this is my opinion about the biotechnology and genetically modified organisms. So uh, we we we're very proud about always about government rules because government uh, always make attention about the diversity uh, information. So this is what I said that I will agree about the biotechnology like this. So many positive potential to make it real and important to benefit. Okay, thank you for all. Goodbye. See you again next time. Bye bye.